good. Now run!
Stop.
Wait. Oh, that looks good.
Why do you have to try so hard cutting it?
Make sure there's pellets in it. Are there pellets?
Yeah.
Those are the pellets. Okay.
You're dropping them.
Change the temperature to 225. Perfect. See it? Yeah. Take that grate off and set it next to it.
What, this thing?
Yep. Colorado Craft Beef, shout out. They sent us these. We're not getting paid to do a video on these, but they gave them to us for free. And they sent us some before and I love them. So Alyssa's gonna smoke these on the smoker at 225. And while the smoker's getting hot, she's gonna make a fire, so have some fun. Now put it into it.
It's purple, yeah. Stop.
Wait.
Ah! That wasn't funny.
Is that fun?
No, it was scary.
That's the best part of the whole process. Okay, now you gotta put the grate back on. You can use that if you don't want to get your hands all greasy again. Okay, never mind. Your hands are gonna get dirty again. Throw it on there. You gotta learn how to do this. So that you can open the steaks up. Yeah, aim them all that way.
I'll have it. I'm in 11th grade junior, and I go to school, and I got back to school, and I'm starving.
Wait, you're really in 11th grade?
Yeah.
Seriously? You only got 1 year left?
Yeah, and I don't know what I want to be when I'm older either.
The goats are moving in on us.
But you can hear their little knees cracking.
Why are their knees crack?
Because they're old.
You got old cracky knees?
Hey, Pumpkin.
He just wants to eat a steak. Wait, do they eat meat?
Yeah, no, I don't think they can.
Can you make him
Pumpkin.
go away?
Pumpkin, what? He's
Is
so
he
hungry, he's gonna eat the chair.
He's the leader, and then the other one's just stay back?
Yeah.
The most important thing when you cook a steak is getting the temperature right. That thermometer we put in will tell us the temperature. Most people just guess, and that's why their steaks are always horrible. Fireboard. You see it says fireboard on there? Boop. We push fireboard. That shows you the temperature and shows you the steak. When this hits 110 degrees, it'll go on the phone and it'll give me an alert, and then we'll know we have to run out there at 110 degrees. We're gonna take the steaks off, and we're gonna put them on that hot grill that we've been making hotter.
Stay here, okay, buddy? Stay.
Yeah. Not so bad. Okay, now let's come over here and see how hot we are. What's the temperature right here? Whoa, it's
450?
pretty hot. Pop it open once, let's see.
Oh, that's so warm.
Okay, so that's hot. You're gonna take the steaks. Smells good. You're gonna let it go for a minute, and the tricky part is you have to turn it so you get a little crosshatch. Now do the other one. Move the other one that way.
Just move it?
Yep.
Oh, I see.
Then you'll get some crosshatches on it. Oh, that looks good. Oh, that's gonna be perfect. See the sizzle?
Am I not pro at this?
Now flip the next one.
I'm trying out. I burnt my hand off.
Does it cook good?
Yeah, it's perfect.
Why is it cooked perfect, Alyssa?
Because I'm just like that.
So what have we learned here? In conclusion.
I'm such a pro cooker, and I'm so much
So
better.
now from now on, I don't have to cook steak
And I'm so
every
much
single
better
time?
than everybody else.
It's like one of the best.
Honestly, yeah, it's better than the steakhouse.
Oh, yeah.
Why do you have to try so hard cutting it?
You gotta sharpen this knife.
I didn't focus.
Is that what too much?
It's good. Now run!
Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Spit out! Spit out! Spit out!
Mama! Take me back, I want my steak.
Huge thanks
you
to
to-
Colorado Craft Beef.
Is it good?
Boss.